Hello everyone. In this video, we will going to learn our rights and duties. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It lays down the framework defining principles, powers, and duties of government institutions and set out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world, containing 448 articles in 25 parts, 12 schedules, 5 appendices, and 98 amendments. Fundamental rights. The fundamental rights is a Charter of Rights in Constitution of India. Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution contains the list of fundamental rights. It guarantees civil liberties such as that all Indians can lead their lives in peace and harmony. Fundamental rights. The fundamental rights have been included into the chapter 3rd of the Constitution from Article 12 to 35. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to religious freedom, cultural and educational rights, right to constitution remedies. Fundamental duties. Rights and duties go hand in hand. As citizens of India, we enjoy fundamental rights, but along with these rights come certain duties. We lead a happy life if we enjoy our rights and simultaneously perform our duties. Some of the fundamental duties are as follows: to respect the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Citizens should be ready to defend and render national service towards India, to promote harmony and the spirit of brotherhood among all people of India on religious or sectional diversities, and to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Natural environment, including the forest, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, are expected to be preserved by the citizens. The difference between rights and duties are: fundamental rights are the rights and freedoms guaranteed by constitutions of some countries of the world to their citizens. These rights have a legal sanction and are enforceable in a court of law. Whereas fundamental duties is the basic duty or responsibility bestowed on you as a citizen of the country. A fundamental right exists by virtue of the fact that you are a human being, whereas a fundamental duty exists as a responsibility on you as a human being. Fundamental right is based on privilege granted to you, whereas fundamental duty is based on accountability. Directive principles of state policy in India. It aims to create social and economic conditions under which the citizens can lead a good life. It established social and economic democracy through a welfare state. They act as a yardstick in the hands of the people to measure the performance of the government. These principles are the non-justiciable rights of the people. Importance of directive principle are: these principles are directives for the states. It lay down the foundation of economic democracy. These are measuring roads to judge the achievements of the government. They establish welfare state. These principles are the fundamental in the governance of the country. These principles supplement fundamental rights. These are the guiding principle for courts also. They bring stability and continuity in state policies. It gives educative value of directive principles. I hope you understood the chapter clearly. Thank you.